Good everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac, and in today's video I'll be telling you guys how to install, I'll be showing you guys, not really telling you guys how to install Git Bash. Yes, Git Bash is a important tool as a coder, as a software engineer, as a programmer, because this Git Bash is something you have to use most times when you want to deploy a code to a remote repo or to a main repo. Okay, if you do want to deploy code to a remote repo, you make use of Git Bash. If you're working in a team and you are told to create a new branch or create a pull request for yourselves, this pull request will match to the main repo and all stuff like that. You make use of what Git, and Git is a version control system. It's a version control system just to track changes made on your file, in your folder, in your code base, and make it known to wherever you want to get deployed to. So that's just a simple definition that I can give to Git. So at this point, let me show you guys how to install Git, and I'll by God's grace move this video to my Python for Beginners series, because I want people that have been following my series, my playlist on my Python programming for beginner, to make use of this tool because this tool will be useful for them to learn how to use Git Bash, how to use VS Code, to integrate it together, and at the end they can get their system or their PC up and running with Python. So yes, my system is Windows PC, so I've been installing this one. The latest one is 2.41.0. If you're using Mac OS, you can click on the Mac OS. I believe it's Mac OS. If you're using Linux OS, you can click on the Linux one on the Mac OS here and to install. So I'm going for Windows because my system is Windows based. So the Windows OS based. So yes, it's click here to download. So can you see? So it automatically Git Bash detected I'm using 64-bit system, so it's getting my 64-bit version for me, and it's downloading. And after downloading, I can now install. So after installing, I have Git Bash installed my system already, and I don't need to stress myself further. So let me just show you how you guys can integrate Git Bash into your VS Code. I want to show you guys to integrate your Git Bash into your VS Code. So I have my VS Code opened. So my VS Code is open. So I want to show you guys how to integrate your Git Bash into VS Code. Yes, I'm combining two things down to a video now. I have two in one video for you guys. So let me just straight through this. You can see open the terminal. Open terminal. What is terminal? Can you see? I don't use a keyboard shortcut here because I believe people would watch my video are beginners that are just fresh or new to programming or coding. So can you see? I have Git Bash installed my system already. I'm yet to install the one I was working on earlier. So I have it installed already. So I'm using the one I have installed already. And in the second option here is what Git Bash. And just click on it and just get this previous terminal. So when you click on it, can you see? That's just a simple way of integrating your Git Bash into your VS Code. And at this point, I think I have been able to install Git Bash and integrate my Git Bash into my VS Code. I am making this video for beginners out there that are getting themselves fresh into programming or coding. So if you have any question about what I've done in this video, you can just let me know in the comment section below, and I will answer your question. And if you have any issues while integrating your Git Bash to VS Code, leave it down in the comment section below and answer your question. Wow, thank you guys for watching, and share this video with your friends. Bye for now.